How to turn on notifications on PayPal. Are guys facing issues to turn on notification from PayPal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options over here. Just scroll down, click on notification preferences. After you click on it, just turn on all these options one by one. Once you turn it, you will be able to get notifications from PayPal application. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to turn on notification on PayPal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding PayPal, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.